Ready to declutter your countertop and revolutionize your cooking routine? If you crave crispy flavor and epic convenience, you can't miss this countdown. Today, we're diving into the ultimate kitchen showdown, the best multi-cookers with air fryer functions you can buy this year. Whether you're a busy parent looking to save time, a foodie who needs precise results, or someone who's tired of washing a mountain of pans, stick around. Number 5. Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 Multicooker. When you think of modern kitchen multitaskers, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is probably one of the first names that comes to mind. After plenty of meals in my own test kitchen, I can say it truly earns its reputation for versatility, working as a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, steamer, sauté pan, yogurt maker, and more. It's the classic set-it-and-forget-it helper most of us crave on busy days. The pressure cook function alone is a real time saver, shaving minutes off normal recipes and keeping flavors locked in tight. The user interface is simple and intuitive. I found it easy to set up, even for a novice. It comes with sturdy handles that double as lid holders, which is brilliant for avoiding messes on your counter, and the safety features are top-notch, a big plus for anyone apprehensive about using a pressure cooker. The 5.7-liter, 6-quart capacity is perfect for families of up to 6, but it's also not so bulky that it dominates countertop real estate. You'll love its smart programs, which customize cooking for things like soups, stews, and rice. I made a Thai curry and brown rice in record time, with minimal hands-on work, no standing over the pot required. Choosing your sauté temperature is as easy as pressing a button, which gives you more control, and the stainless steel pot distributes heat well for an even cook. Now let's be honest, while it does a lot, the air frying capabilities can feel like a workaround rather than a core function. Number 4. CHEFMAN Multifunctional Digital Air Fryer Plus. First of all, this thing is big. Seriously, make sure you've got the countertop space. In my trial, it made an immediate impression with its sleek black finish, huge digital panel, and sheer width. Plug it in, and you'll find a digital display packed with preset functions, 17 in total, so you can whip up meals just by tapping a button. Cooking with the CHEFMAN is an adventure. The 10-liter capacity is large enough for family get-togethers, meal prepping, or indulging a crew of hungry teenagers. From crispy fries to roasted chicken and even pizza, its air fry and convection features delivered solid, tasty results in my tests. The rapid air technology means you use far less oil than deep frying, giving you a guilt-free alternative that doesn't skimp on crunch. Accessories like airflow racks, a rotisserie spit, and drip tray come in handy, especially for big family dinners or impressive meal presentations. Still, while this Air Fryer Plus does just about everything, it'll even dehydrate fruit and bake a cake, it comes with a few rough spots. There's a learning curve, the manual is confusing, and figuring out settings took several tries. The sheer size can be overwhelming for smaller kitchens, and it's not the cheapest option on the block either. You pay a premium for all that functionality, and while it works well once you learn the ropes, it can feel like a wild stallion, a little unruly at first. 3. Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo. Now things start to heat up with the Midea Flexify French Door Toaster Oven Air Fryer Combo, our number 3 pick. What set this appliance apart in my kitchen was how seamlessly it replaced both a toaster and a traditional oven, perfect for anyone downsizing or who simply wants to do more with less space. 4-quart interior swallowed a 12-inch pizza, a whole chicken, or 6 slices of toast effortlessly, and I found myself cooking family meals without breaking a sweat. The 10 cooking functions, air fry, roast, bake, toast, dehydrate, and more, are genuinely useful, not just marketing fluff. In daily use, the powerful 750-watt convection system cooked food noticeably faster and with crispier results than most conventional ovens. The French doors are a joy. With both hands free, sliding trays in and out was safe and burn-free, a refreshing detail that's often overlooked. I especially appreciated the wide temperature range and precise controls, allowing me to dial in perfect toast or get just the right texture with air-fried wings. The included accessories, air fry basket, racks, crumb tray mean you're ready for just about any kitchen challenge. It's also impressively easy to clean and has actually replaced 2 of my older appliances, freeing up valuable counter space. Downsides? The instruction manual is lackluster and there's no clock, a minor gripe, but worth mentioning if you rely on timers. 2. Nuwave Duet Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo. Sliding into the runner-up spot, the Nuwave Duet Air Fryer and Electric Pressure Cooker Combo swiftly won me over in everyday use. This isn't just another multi-cooker, its versatility is unmatched, thanks to interchangeable lids for pressure cooking and air frying. I appreciated the Combo Cook feature. Start with pressure cooking for flavor-packed, tender dishes, then switch to air frying for that extraordinary crisp finish. The results? Dishes like pot roast or chicken wings that were both juicy and perfectly crispy, using 90% less oil than usual methods. The Nuwave Duet makes cooking less complicated with a large selection of presets and an intuitive digital interface. The build quality surprises for its price. Heavy-duty stainless steel and dishwasher-safe parts made cleanup easy after even the messiest recipes. The 6-quart capacity provided plenty of room for larger recipes while keeping the appliance manageable on my counter. Safety features like sure lock and overheat protection gave me confidence to experiment, especially when the kitchen got busy. What impressed me most was how quickly dinner came together. Meals were consistently ready up to 70% faster than on the stove or in the oven. Even more, the Nuwave earned rave reviews for reliability during long-term use, performing well after months without fading or losing efficiency. Pressure cooking, air frying, roasting, slow cooking, it handled them all with ease. One quibble? The recipe booklet could be better edited for clarity, but there are enough digital resources to fill that gap. 1. Instant Pot Duo Crisp 11-in-1 Air Fryer. This powerhouse is the ultimate blend of convenience, versatility, and performance, a true do-it-all multi-cooker that revolutionized my meal routines. What stands out first is its ability to switch between pressure cooking and air frying with a simple change of the lid, unlocking a world of functions. Pressure cook, air fry, roast, bake, dehydrate, sauté, and more. Testing it in my own kitchen, stews came out flavorful and tender, with the sauté program searing meat to a perfect brown. Switching to air fry mode, I noticed healthier, less greasy results, crispy fries, golden chicken, and even baked pastries, all with almost no extra oil. What's more, it's incredibly easy to use. Presets and manual settings are simple to master, and the digital panel makes navigating different modes intuitive. Batch cooking? The 8-quart capacity means large families or meal preppers are covered. No appliance is perfect, but the Duo Crisp gets close. A little experimentation with air fry times was necessary to avoid overcooking, but with a few tweaks, I achieved a delightful crunch on every batch. The only real downside is its size. You'll need storage space for the cooker, the 2 lids, and accessories, but it's a price I'm gladly willing to pay for this level of utility. Even the lack of a non-stick pot hasn't deterred me because the stainless steel performs so well and is sturdy for daily use. Final thought. So there you have it, my ranking of the best multi-cookers with air fryer features. Which one caught your eye? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to hit subscribe for more top kitchen tech countdowns.